Hey guys, we're back.
Hey guys!
We're back with another Pokemon break. We got another Paradox Rift booster box here. The first 4 have all been excellent. So let's open this one and see what we're blessed with. Alright, here we go. You know the drill. My dude's got his popcorn, hold the best one. Pikachu will hold the second best one. He's got his little hat on. Says he's going to give us a happy delivery. Well, let's see how happy it is. Here we go. Looking for Mela, looking for Iron Valiant, for Tulip, for all kinds of stuff. Here we go. Water. Take your vitamins. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. No first pack's blessings, this box, but always blessed. And the packages feel flimsy, like every booster box. Nobody cares, only me. Major League Baseball. Fiddle. Take your vitamins. Anything good? Anything? Oh, I think we got this. Yeah, I think we have this. But there's the first hit. Alright, there's the first hit. How many is going to be left? 9, 10, 11, 42. If you haven't seen the God Bless box, go check that out. It's wild. Oops. Uh-oh. Where's the good one? The good? Is that it? Oh, yeah. Alright, well, it's probably not going to be 42 hits. 45 in total. Uh-oh. Fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua. And you know this. Oh, where's the good one? Anything good? Oh, wow. Another duplicate. We'll take it. Alright. 2 EXs have taken up some hit spots. Let's hope it's 13 in here. At least. Not 10 or 9 or 11. Jigglypuff's energy. Huh. Anything good? Anything? Alright, moving right along. Sudden hit stops. Mario Leaf. Larry. Cody Rhodes, take your vitamins. Anything good? More water energy. Oh, where's the good one? We already got this. Oh, it's a cool one, but we already got it. Anything else? Nothing. Wow. 3 hits, 3 duplicates. That's okay. It's a cool card. Homing headbutt. All right, 3 hits. All duplicates. But that's fine. Everything's a blessing. Let's get a streak going. If I can. Golly. Let's get a streak going of non-duplicates. Remember, streak's got to be more than 2. Amigo. Looking good. All right. How many hits are going to be left on this side? 3, 4. Major League Baseball. Evolution. Anything good? Anything? Uh-oh. Fire. Is that hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua. And you know this. Defiance vest, I need that. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. That was the first trouble with the packs. They were behaving up till then. Down sweet. Galvatron. Kevin Durant. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Should that one open from the front? Because I'm trying to open it from the back. Jigglypuff's energy. Good. Anything? Oh, well. Dude, this is our 3rd Iron Hands EX, man. It's a good one. Wow. That's crazy. Where's the SIR? 3 of these and no SIR. 4 Iron Valiants and no SIR. Alright. 4 hits and all duplicates. But, I mean, this is our... what, 5th booster?
Yeah.
And how many ETBs? Like 8. So of course it's bound to be start hitting tons of duplicates. Pikachu's energy. Let's shock the hits. Nothing. Oh, that wasn't very shocking. Look at it, did it again from the front. Water in it. Snorlax doll, Tinkaton, Kevin Durant, anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. There's 4 hits sitting there. We're at the end, almost at the end of the right side. Wow, look at that card. It's all messed up.
Oh.
Man. But it's about average hit-wise. Oops, forgot to use the energy. Anything good? Anything? Oh, cool! Alright! That wasn't the messed up card, no. All right. Sweet. All right. We've been waiting for this one.
Yeah.
All right. Now all we need is the gold. There you go, Ryan. All we need is the gold now. That is cool. That is a cool full art. Look at that. Look at that. All right, man. Let's put that there. All right, man. What a excellent hit. All right. We definitely shocked the hits with that one. So let's keep it going. It's got a gold one. Man, that came out of nowhere. A little boring right side and then bam. All right. Mario Leaf. Tinkertuff. Good. Oh, wow, that's fun. All right, pack 17. What's that, John?
Good.
Let's see what John's got in his pack. It's an Iron Valiant art wrapper. B1 inside. Uh-oh, Major League Baseball. Medical Energy, stay away from that. Toad Scroll, Rush Limbaugh, anything good? Anything? Ah, John. Alright, John didn't have anything in his pack this time. So let's see if there's one sneaky one. One last sneaky one to the right side. That Roaring Moon is wonderful. Go. Jigglypuff's energy. Amigo, anything good? Anything? No. Okay. Alright. Here we go. First pack from the left side. You know the spiel. Some kid would have won a 500 ticket jackpot. Went to buy some Pokemon. This is what they were giving him. This is the pack he would have got. Let's see if he should have kept his tickets. Bought some candy. There you go. Onyx. Cody Rhodes. Oh, where's the good one? Oh, cool. Look at that. All right. Cool. Excellent. All right. This would have been worth his 500 tickets. Double hit pack finally? Nope. All right, man. I'm waiting for this one, too. Alright, so blessed. Alright, so that would have been worth his tickets. Well, let's see if he would have bought 2 packs. 1,000 point jackpot. Let's see if he would have bought 2 packs. This is the other one he would have gotten. Let's see. Probably should have kept it and bought candy. Norman. Toad Scroll, Rush Limbaugh, anything good? Anything? Ah, I should have bought some candy. Alright. Moving on. Pack number 3 from the left side. Let's keep the streak going of any hits we get, stuff we didn't have. I'll be happy with that no matter what it is. Jigglypuff, or Pikachu's energy. Let's shock this side. Snorlax doll. Tinkaton. Oh, where's the good one? Oh, there it is! Yet another gold, dude! Oh, man. Anything else? Nothing. Alright, man. Look at that. Another gold. Not a character. I knew about this one, too. This beach court. Cool. Alright, man. Look at that. Flamigo's on there. He likes the whole gold stuff, so. Alright, man. The streak continues of hits we didn't have, so. Let's keep that going. I don't care what it is. It's anything we didn't have. Bounce Sweep. Evolution, might want to look that up. Anything good? Anything? No. Alright. I think we're up to 7 hits. So, anywhere from 5, 3 to 5 more. Uh-oh. Is the hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, as you can tell. Here we go. Splenda. Tink-a-tink. Medical energy, stay away from that. Anything good? Anything? Oh, another hit spot. Oh man, another duplicate. Uh-oh. Alright, we got a lot of packs left and not very many hit spots if the average stays the same. Let's hope this one has 13 at least. If anything more, defy the average. Mario Leaf. Galvatron. Oh, where's the good one? Anything good? Plus energy. Double blade. Take your vitamins. Anything good? Anything? Oh, another duplicate. And another EX. Looking good for Jaden Cutter. Alright, this has been a EX box for sure, man. Couple SI art, special illustrations. So, and a gold. Major League Baseball. Defiance vest, I need that. Good? Yeah, nothing. Come on. Hired that other guy back. Man, look at that.
Wow.
Dude. This is back in the day on our first videos. We had to time lapse opening the packs. Sheesh. Amigo. Old's cool. Norman. Anything good? Anything? Look at how fast that opened. Jeez. The one that took forever to open had nothing. The one that opened very easily. Let's see. Venezuela. Energize. Anything good? Anything? Oh, man. Alright. We're getting there. Box jam packed with EXs. Regular ones. Pikachu's energy. Shock the hits. Toad Scroll, the Rush Limbaugh, Devolution. Might want to check that up or look that up. Anything good? Nothing. Alright, well, that wasn't very shocking. Need to shock the hits to come back. Mario Leaf. Tinkata. Blindside. Radar. Tinkatuff. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Man, uh-oh, fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, and you know this. Oh, where's the good one? Oh, cool. All right. All right. Didn't have that one. Been waiting for that one. Double hit pack finally? No. All right. That's something we didn't have. Mothra. So blessed. All right. Nice hit. Let's get a streak going of stuff we didn't have. I don't care what it is. Even if it's just EXs. Look at.
Oh no, your first clear corner thingy.
Yeah, I wonder if that happens to anyone else. It hasn't happened to us till this set.
Yeah, that's right.
Jigglypuff's energy. Onyx. Da, da, da. Crazy Nancy. Counter catcher. Catch something good. Take your vitamins. Energize. Anything good? Water energy. Raging surf. Dondozo. Venezuela. Blindside. Anything good? Anything? Oh! I think we do. I mean, I know we got the full art of this guy twice. There's another EX. Alright. Last 3 packs. See if there's any last packs. Blessings with an S. I don't know, there's a lot of hits there, so I kind of lost count. So if it's over 10, 11, 12, probably not going to be anymore. But let's defy the average. Splenda, Tink-a-Tink. Anything good? Nothing. Major League Baseball. Double blade. Haha. Anything good? Anything? Ah! It's not the big one, but we're getting there. All right. Okay. All right. She's been teasing. Well, we'll take this one. All right, man. That's so cool. She's been teasing. There's one of them. All right. So blessed. Oh, yeah. Let's put that there. All right. Nice hit. Last pack. Great hit. Let's see if we can get one more sneaky one for the road. That'd be cool if you could pull that and then the SIR in the next
Right?
pack. I wanted to see them like back to back in the same pack. That'd have been cool. Here we go. Let's see if there's a sneaky one for the road. Great box. Evolution. Anything good? Anything? Ah! Alright guys, we're back with the recap. Well, 12 total hits. It was another excellent box. Started off with a lot of duplicates, but ended with a lot of great stuff we didn't have. So here's what we were blessed with. Another one of those. Another one of those. Another one of those. Another one of those. Not sure if we had this one or not, but probably did. So another one of those. Another one of these. This is like 3 for us right now, but we'll take as many of these as he wants to give us because it's a great one. Another one of these, but it's a cool card. We didn't have that, so we're really glad to get that. We didn't have this. We're wondering when we were going to get this, and we finally got it. Cool to have that. Mothra. Another gold. That's not a character, Ryan, but another gold, so we're glad to get this one. Not the big parasol lady, but one of them. And it's funny because before we opened the box, Rachel's like, we're going to get parasol lady in that box. And we did, but not the big one. But we did get a big one. There you go, guys. Another Roaring Moon, this time the Full Art EX. And never ever forget, guys, every card pulled on this channel came from Hinkle Family Fun Center. Go there now, they're loaded with everything Pokemon, tons of Paradox Rift. And you can pull beautiful stuff like this. So we got plenty more Paradox Rift breaks coming up, guys. So until the next one, God bless and thank you for watching.